Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and staying safe. In today's video, we will revise lesson number 4, Eating Together. Eating together in a family. When we live in a family, we share a special bonding with our family members, and we can make it strong by eating together also, because it is that time in which we can share our experience, ideas, problems with our family members. So, eating together in a family creates a strong bond among the members of the family. It brings family members closer to one another because we are spending time with one another. We can share our experience, thoughts, ideas with our family members, which makes our bond strong. Eating together on special occasions. In first stanza we are talking about family, and now in second stanza we are talking about special occasions. What are the special occasions? When we meet with other peoples, with our relatives or friends, it can be festivals, weddings or birthdays. Special dishes are cooked on these occasions because there are so many people at a place. They are meeting with each other, they are talking with each other, so we arrange special cooks for this, and these special cooks are chefs, caterers or halwais to make special food for us, because it is in large quantity, so this food is prepared in large vessels also. The food is placed in serving bowls and served at good crockeries. Eating together brings a lot of joy. When we meet with our family members and relatives, it gives a feel of joy and happiness in all of us. तो उससे हमें बहुत खुशी मिलती है when we celebrate birthdays and when our relatives come to our house, then we feel joyful. It creates a feeling of oneness. It feels a feeling of oneness. Oneness means unity, that we are in a family. Do you know people prepare and share special dishes during festivals? Yes, we prepare special dishes during festivals. Rice is cooked with milk and jaggery for Pongal. Pongal is the festival in which milk and jaggery dishes are made. A special sweet dish called sevaiya is prepared for Eid. These feasts promote feelings of love and brotherhood, because like sevaiya, it is a dish which is made on Eid. It is a special dish, sweet dish, so it promotes the feelings of love, क्योंकि ये सबके घर पे बन रही है. It shows brotherhood, unity, एकता. So that means if we want to spend time with our family members, we want to make our bond strong, we should eat together. That's why it is also said that at least one time meal we should eat with our family members. Now, third type of eating togetherness is in a community, like in a gurdwaras, when a large number of people eat together at a special place. This activity is called community eating. What do you mean by community eating? Community eating is an activity in which a large number of people eat together at a special place. It is not important that all are relatives or all are family members. No, people often gather together in gurdwaras. Gurdwaras are the holy places for the Sikhs too. So people often gather together to eat the same food. Food is prepared in large quantity because it is served to the people in large number. So they prepare this food in large quantity in a common kitchen which is called langar and serve to the people free of charge. People sit together on the floor, as you can see in the picture. They are taking langar and they have the same food at a time. It can be dal, roti, vegetables, salad, a sweet dish. Many people consider working in the common kitchen because it is prepared in large quantities. So many people do this seva or public service to the mankind in Gurdwara's kitchen for langar. On special occasions, we engage special cooks called halwais or caterers to make special food. Community eating is an activity in which a large number of people eat together at a place. Now, third type of eating together is in school. Nowadays, so we are at home due to corona covid virus. So nowadays, most of the government schools in our country provide midday meals. Yes, in our government schools, government provide midday meal to the students. What is midday meal? It is that service which is given to that children which are not having proper meal for at least one time in a day. So they do not get even one full meal a day. So how can they study? They can't study because they do not get a proper meal. So a few years ago, the Supreme Court, which is the highest court in our country, it gave the order to the government. Who has given the order? Supreme Court. To whom? To government. To run primary schools must provide their students with hot cooked food, कि उनको at least one time खाना serve किया जाए. That's why it is called midday meal. Before the midday meal starts, the teacher sees that children wash their hands. They sit in an orderly manner and wait for the food to be served. And in this, a variety of food is also served. Sometimes students have vegetable, roti, aloo puri, or dal rice, or idlis. Even special dishes are served on special occasions also, like Independence Day or Diwali. Teacher ensures that children change the place so that they can make new friends. A menu plan is displayed on the notice board or outside the principal's office, which tells that what they get to eat on each day of the week. So midday meal is that facility which gives nutrient value to our children. Eating together in boarding schools. So first of all, what are boarding schools? Boarding schools are that schools in which students study as well as live in the same place. In a boarding school, students sit together in a large dining hall because they are away from their houses. They are living away from their houses, so they sit together in a large dining hall, which is called hostel mess, to have their meal. They have fixed time for the meal, and the hostel warden and house members supervise that. They ensure that students are eating properly or not. In midday meal, special dishes are served on important days. Tick or cross? This is tick. In boarding schools, students have their meals separately in their rooms? No. Food is served in mess only and in the fixed times. Eating together during lunch break, as we did in our lunch break. We have a lot of fun during lunch break. Why? Because we all share our meals. Yes, this is true. आप लोग टीचर्स के पास भी आते हो शेयरिंग के लिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयरिंग करते थे. सो there is a variety of dishes to choose from. So sharing our meals also brings us closer to our friends. So eating together is that activity which makes our family members closer to one another. It makes our bond strong. So we should eat at least one meal in a day with family members. The food served in a government school during the day is called midday meal. Schools where students study and live together are called dash schools, boarding schools. We share our experience, thoughts and dash with our family members. Ideas. Eating together creates a bond of dash among family members. Oneness. Langar is prepared in a large quantity. Boarding schools have large dining halls which are called hostel mess. Now is the picture identification. First picture is of midday meal. Second is Gurdwara's kitchen. And third is langar in Gurdwaras. We can get langar prasad in a Gurdwara. Boarding school students have dash times for their meals, fixed times. So read the chapter carefully, learn it. Thank you. Have a nice day.